How you doing, sir? Scared?
I don't want to, because we're gonna go up so high.
We're going all the way up there.
Oh, I can't.
Guys, oh no, it looks like there's an elevator.
We're going all the way up. No idea why the kids are scared. On our way to the observatory. This was built by George Washington and Thomas Jefferson.
Wait, did we go up the stairs?
Brick by brick, right?
And then,
Yeah, it was.
wait.
You could tell he hand chiseled each one of these. That's why they called them chisel hands.
Is it fake news day?
No, chisel hands. They called him George Chisel Hands Washington. Oh no.
Oh gosh.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Now. See ya.
No jumping, guys.
Ready? That way, guys. Where do you want to take it?
No, I want to hold the baby.
I didn't realize cannons were rifles.
Yeah, Addie, then Michael, then Mike.
Parts of this thing. So we must be going like in the ground. So this is where they would shoot out of. This is like this is a good header. Bridging a gap here. You know? Feed a battery.
That goes down.
Yeah. There it is. Should have a bigger flag than that. Oh, there's cannons. There's cannons. Highly recommend the Fort Knox Fort if you're in the Maine area. Pretty cool. So where are we? Nautilus?
Yeah.
Nautilus restaurant.
Nautilus restaurant.
Belfast.
It's Belfast.
To Belfast.
Belfast.
Germany.
Sure, I liked it.
You love
It was terrible.
Oh, you're so funny.
Oh, you're funny.
I've never heard that one. Video. Look at that. That's big.
These wheels are ginormous.
Where are we?
Connecticut in a hotel.
We're in Hartford, Connecticut, right? So how many hours did we drive?
5.
5 hours. And tomorrow, how many hours do we have? We have 3 hours tomorrow.
and a half.
Yep, 3.5 hours. So we're gonna hit that, drive the car home, and then we'll be home and we'll end this Maine trip. You don't like that? You gonna go forever? Why? Does she like me?
Yeah.
How much?
A lot.
A lot. All right, so now we're getting ready for dinner. We're gonna have have a little dinner.